Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled The AI Engineer's Toolkit, Essential Libraries and Frameworks, exploring other critical tools and technologies, e.g., Hugging Face Ecosystem, PyTorch, TensorFlow, deployment tools that every AI developer needs. Analogy, like a carpenter's workbench with all their specialized tools. Imagine you want to build a beautiful wooden table. You wouldn't just use your bare hands, right? You'd need a hammer, a saw, a drill, and specific types of wood. In the world of AI, building smart applications is very similar. You, the AI engineer, need your own specialized toolkit, a set of software libraries and frameworks to bring your ideas to life. Today, we're opening that toolbox to see what's inside. These two, PyTorch and TensorFlow, are like the most powerful electric drills on your workbench. They are the fundamental frameworks that let you build, train, and run complex AI models, especially those called neural networks, which are inspired by the human brain. They provide the core machinery to handle the massive math and data operations AI models require, giving you the flexibility to craft almost any AI solution you can imagine. Most cutting-edge research and big AI projects use one of these two. Now, imagine your workbench has a special bin filled with perfectly engineered Lego blocks and detailed instruction manuals. That's the Hugging Face ecosystem. It's a collection of tools that makes working with advanced AI, especially large language models, LLMs, like the ones that power chatbots, incredibly easy. Transformers Library provides access to thousands of pre-trained models. Think of these as AI brains that have already learned a lot from vast amounts of data, like a Lego car that's already assembled, and you just need to customize it. This saves you tons of time. Datasets Library helps you easily find, download, and manage the data your AI models need to learn from. Accelerate Library makes training your AI models faster and simpler across different computer setups, like having a super efficient assembly line. Before you can assemble your AI furniture, you need to prepare your raw materials, the data. NumPy. This is your super accurate measuring tape and calculator for numbers. It's fantastic for handling large collections of numbers, called arrays. Very fast. Almost all AI models rely on NumPy under the hood for their numerical operations. Pandas. Think of pandas as an advanced saw and organizer for structured data. Like spreadsheets, it helps you clean, transform, and analyze data efficiently, making sure your wood is perfectly cut and ready for assembly. You've built your amazing AI model, now what? You want others to use it. Deployment is like packaging your finished AI furniture, loading it onto a delivery truck, and setting it up in someone's home. It's the process of making your AI model accessible to users, usually over the internet. We use concepts like APIs, application programming interfaces, which are like the doorways for other programs to talk to your AI. And we host them on cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. These are like huge, powerful factories that can run your AI applications 24/7. This step moves your AI from your computer to the real world. A smart carpenter doesn't mix tools from different projects, right? You might need a specific hammer for one table and a different one for a chair. In programming, different AI projects often need specific versions of libraries. Virtual environments, often managed with tools like --pip or --conda are like creating separate, isolated workspaces for each project on your computer. This ensures that the tools, libraries, for one project don't conflict with another. keeping everything organized and working smoothly. Don't feel overwhelmed by all these tools. Just like a carpenter starts with basic cuts and nails, you can start small. Pick one major framework, like PyTorch or TensorFlow, and try some beginner tutorials. Explore Hugging Face's Transformers library * to play with a pre-trained language model. It's incredibly fun and powerful. The most important tool is your curiosity and willingness to experiment. Every AI masterpiece starts with the first few lines of code. Happy building! Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.